like every day. I turn this on, I turn you on, and now you have to be connected again, meaning I have to go to pair. And then when I went in there, it said confirm and change connection. I'm not sure what's happening, Osmo Action 4. Osmo Action 4 is giving me something to talk about. Man, and I want to do a little bit different vlog. Now I got to talk all about the Osmo Action 4. Maybe I need to, reset the camera again and go step by step and not worry about trying to get the best settings, because nobody else complains but the fish. It may sound like I'm complaining, but I'm not. I'm talking out loud. What's inside out loud, in my humble opinion. If I find something that's a little wrong, I try my best to help you out. Now, I look a lot better. Much better. Well, did I do anything to the change of the settings? Not at all. I just basically put on D-Log M. And the way D-Log M is, it controls your low light enhancement with modified settings. And nobody out there is really going to tell you that. Oh, we don't use auto low light enhancement. Well, you know what? Let's stop and let's shut off auto low light enhancement. Well, I hate to burst your bubble, people. It's disabled. You can't shut it off. Well, wait a second, Fish. You can. You just got to change some of the settings. You had to turn off 10-bit to go back to 8-bit, and then auto low light is enabled, and now auto low light is off. And I look much better. I'm with color. Things are darker, deeper, and in depth. Oh man, did I hit the right setting or not? Well, when you want to use auto low light and make your video brighter, I thought it was brighter when I had auto low light enabled. I guess, like when I watched this movie, The Outer Limits, and they were doing one of these, looking through a little, window, a little glass, and there was this little monster inside, and this sucker zapped the person into the box. Oh yeah, man, that's what this feels like. I don't know if I'm good in my video right here, if I'm a little bit brighter like I was before. I think I look good. I gotta switch back. Auto light enabled now. I don't know if I look good. I think I look good. I think I look darker. We're supposed to be brighter. I don't get you. I lost it. I think I'm going to be finishing up this review, just heading on home. Not a good day. So here I am. You'll figure out the settings I'm on. I think I kind of gonna leave it like this and not worry about it. I know if I want my video brighter than ever, you turn it to 10-bit. Then you try to do some coloring. You got a little bit of color in there anyway. It's not black and white. Well, you know what? You know what does a nice job? A security camera. And they go up to 4K and they grab such a great picture of clarity. Cell phones, smartphones, 1-inch cameras. Fish, maybe you need to go get that Pocket 3 and just put away the Action 4. No, I don't want to hold the stick. I don't want to feel uncomfortable holding it. I'm more comfortable holding, you got it, a little shorty and an action 4. Yeah. I'll see you later. Yeah, I held off. I'm like thinking once again, maybe I should just go get it. Not worry about it. Just do it, fish. Then you have to use it when you want to use it. But I don't want to take 2 steps back to take a step forward. Yeah, man. Wouldn't you always want to take a step forward and not a step backward in technology? Get with the show, people. You know what I mean. Yeah, sometimes old stuff is better than new stuff, but it gives you more work to do. I gotta sit down and do another how-to. Yeah, man. Might as well do it now. So yeah, I remember putting in the RX, nothing's on. And I'm trying to get the RX to go on. It just takes too long. I'm holding it. It don't go on. So something is not right. I don't recall the other one I got has such a delay in turning on. You see this line back here? And the car in front, they love parking. I guess you could afford parking there. Spots are precious, I guess. I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot, talked a lot. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, man. Well, yeah, I didn't put a intro to my videos lately. And I don't do outros like I used to anymore. But, you know, they say, subscribe, share, like, rate, comment, show love. Like and subscribe. Don't abuse it. Have a great day.